Welcome to another handyman Leatherman adventure. As you can see, I am up on a roof today. It's beautiful out here. The sun feels great. Painting dormers. What a good day to be a painter. Just look at all my surroundings. It's just gorgeous out here. But what I wanted to show you is a quick way, an easy way to, when you're painting things like dormers or gables or eaves that go on top of your asphalt shingles. You can see here how beautiful. They got brand new shingles this year and they didn't want any paint on them. Let me show you what I like to use to make it safer. Now if you notice, the very edges of it have some stuff that needs painted, but it's too hard to get in there. A lot of people like to use like mud knives or some kind of a way of shoving like a tarp or something underneath there. Let me show you what I'm using. This is leftover from my cargo trailer for the roof I was doing. You can see this is called Luan, however you want to call it. It's like super thin. These are some scraps I had in my van, and you could shove it right underneath. You just kind of work it up and it just kind of slides right underneath. You could brush, you could roll, and it gets all the way down to that bottom edge, and you just jiggle it out. And it helps you to make things look really good. Looks like I got a few spots there I need to cut back with a knife and touch them up with a brush. But those turned out really well. Come over here, this is the first side I did. Just nice and clean all the way down. So, got a little bit of drywall dust, but that'll wash off in the rain. But we want to protect these beautiful roofs. That is something I just wanted to show you. It's real quick. It makes things a lot easier. And remember, when you're up here on these roofs, be very careful. Use very good ladders and don't do things that you're not comfortable with. And also use plenty of drops like I've got here. It makes work so much easier, and quality brushes and rollers. But anyways, just wanted to show you that quick video. Hope you guys liked it. Everybody have fun. Enjoy doing your projects. Stay out of trouble.